I'm outnumbered. I'm the only person who lives here who's not vegan. But I've just leveled up in my acceptance amongst the vegans because about 10 years ago, I discovered this coconut yogurt. It's beautiful. It's my decadent little treat. And at $12 a jar, it's a pricey, decadent little treat. So here's a hack that I want to show you where you can make perpetual coconut yogurt. You can make coconut yogurt that makes itself. And here's how easy it is. First of all, you have to eat half your coconut yogurt. That's one of the best parts. So I'm going to crack open some Feijoas from last year because I've just bottled a whole lot more Feijoas, so last year's ones need to be finished. And I'm going to help myself to some coconut yogurt. And oh, what's this behind the coconut yogurt? Ordinary coconut cream. Now, once I've put approximately half of my coconut yogurt in here, all I have to do to make perpetual coconut yogurt is to add the amount that I've just taken out in coconut cream. Give it a wee stir up or a shake. And all I have to do is put it somewhere for 24 hours, and when I come back, I'll have a full container of coconut yogurt again. But don't tell the people who make it. Yep, it's all down to the enzymes. The enzymes that were in the yogurt will populate the rest of the mixture, and within 24 hours, turn the whole thing into a lovely yogurty treat.